There are several ways to promote your products in the Amazon store to help attract customers, drive sales, and improve product rankings. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of promotions, coupons, deals, and Vine. You can find these promotional tools by clicking the menu icon in the top left corner of Seller Central and hovering over Advertising. Let's start with promotions. Promotions are free offers you can run to help increase product sales while maintaining a comfortable margin. You can also leverage promotions to reduce inventory and avoid liquidations. Promotions appear on the main Amazon.com deals page and on individual product detail pages. They come in the form of percentage off or buy one get one free offers. With percentage off promotions, you can discount single unit purchases or select a tiered discount structure that increases the discount as the purchased quantity increases. The promotional benefit will be applied at checkout. Next, let's cover coupons. In simple terms, coupons are the digital versions of those that customers get in stores or supermarkets. They can be used to get money off or percentage off discounts on eligible products. Amazon customers discover coupons in search results, on product detail pages, and in their shopping carts. Coupons also have their own prominent landing page in the Amazon store. No sales history or customer reviews are required to create coupons. This makes them a great tool for new sellers and can help you promote newer products which may not be eligible for other types of promotions. Also note that coupons can be created for both Fulfillment by Merchant, or FBM, offers, as well as Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, offers. With coupons, you can offer discounts on a single product or a set of products. Customers can simply click Clip Coupon below the product title and product image, and the discount will be applied to the selected item at checkout. This feature increases the chances of attracting more customers, which can help increase your sales. If you want even higher exposure for your product, consider promoting it with a deal. Review the Amazon Deals help page for seller and product eligibility requirements. Deals come in two basic types, Lightning and Best Deal. Lightning deals are featured for up to 12 hours. Best deals are featured for a limited number of days. Both types can help attract customers and reduce overstocked or seasonal items. With deals, your discounted product is featured on the Amazon Deals page, one of our most visited pages, and may also be featured on the Amazon homepage or through social media platforms. Before you create your first deal, keep the following in mind. Products featured through a deal must be in new condition. They can't be used, refurbished, or any other condition type. When products have multiple variations for size, color, style, or other features, their deal should also include as many variations as possible. That's because customers looking for deals tend to prefer options. You'll be informed during the deal creation process if additional variations are required. Usually, at least 65% of a product's variations should be included in a deal. Finally, to ensure a great customer experience, some products aren't eligible for deals, including restricted products, products in certain categories, and products that may be deemed offensive or inappropriate. This includes, but isn't limited to, medical devices and medicines, alcohol, adult products, and baby formula. Sellers also usually need to fulfill orders created through deals at prime speeds using FBA. But you may see some seller-fulfilled products eligible for deals if you're able to fulfill orders at prime speeds yourself. If you're a brand owner enrolled in Amazon Brand Registry, you can also enroll in the Amazon Vine program to help drive traffic to new or slow-moving products. Amazon Vine is a customer review program that enables brand owners to offer free units of their products to select approved Vine reviewers in pursuit of getting customer reviews on newly launched products or products with limited existing reviews. By inviting approved Vine reviewers to post reviews of these products, you can help potential customers make informed buying decisions. Vine can also help build brand awareness and customer trust. For a flat fee, Vine shares products with vetted Amazon reviewers who were selected for their ability to post insightful reviews on their Amazon purchases. Complete the Promote Your Products with Deals, Coupons, and More course for setup instructions and more details on promotional tools.